You got it, boy. Good shot. Smoked it.
Boom.
That's what that 300
Yeah,
WSC would do, boy.
Awesome.
All you can see is its head just popping out of the grass.
That's a loud gun.
What just happened?
I just shot a buck.
Pretty big one too. That's probably the biggest one out here.
Parker's gun.
Can we shoot that, can we use that one thing?
Yeah.
He smoked that thing.
One shot down. Confidence booster there. Biggest one of the week right there. It's a good thing we saved one buck tag.
Oh, he's got a broken prod tine. I wouldn't shoot that.
Oh man.
Yeah, let's just man, he shot him right where he's supposed to shoot him too.
Whew.
Well,
Where's the bullet at?
That ditch playing that gun on.
Where'd it go in? Other side?
Yeah.
No.
Man, that's a big animal.
Which he was facing this way, was it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh man. Get him in the neck, huh?
That deer got
Save the meat.
from me.
Yeah, good. Good shot. Good shot. Good shot.